everyone, welcome to our channel Login8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Scotiabank app not working. So if your Scotiabank app is not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So basically there are two reasons for which your Scotiabank app is not working. The one reason is that your app is not updated and another reason is that you haven't cleared the cache of your app. So first of all, let's update the app. Open the Play Store application. At the bottom, you can see three options: games, apps, and search. All you have to do is tap on the search icon that is at the bottom right corner. Now, simply tap on the search bar. Now, all you have to do is type Scotiabank. Tap on search. Now, you have to open Scotiabank mobile banking. Now here you'll be led to this interface. Here you can see two options: uninstall and open. Since my app is already updated, I can see open option over here. But if your app is not updated, you can see update option over here. And all you have to do is tap on the update option and your app will be updated. After you update the app, your app must work now. But still, if it does not work, all you have to do is clear the cache of the app. First of all, go to settings. Now you can see here settings is opened. Here you can see several options. All you have to do is scroll down and find the storage option. Tap on the storage option. Now you can see here storage is opened. If you scroll down, you can see several options like apps, system, videos, etc. All you have to do is tap on the apps option. Now find Scotiabank app. After you find the Scotiabank app, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this interface. Here you can see option for clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the clear cache option. My cache is already cleared, so clear cache option is not enabled for me. But if your cache is not cleared, this option will be enabled and all you have to do is tap on it. And now you'll be able to clear the cache of this app. Your app must start working now. So that is how you fix Scotiabank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.